Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with YouTube for passive income, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with YouTube for passive income, begin by creating a YouTube account. Access youtube.com and click sign in the top right corner. If you don't have a Google account, select create account to set one up. Once signed in, navigate to YouTube and click the user icon in the top right corner. Select your channel to set up your personal channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your content and niche. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture and banner that represents your brand. Next, plan your content strategy. Identify your target audience and determine the type of videos they would enjoy. Research popular topics within your niche for inspiration. Create a content calendar to organize your video ideas and posting schedule. Once you have a plan, start producing your videos. Use quality equipment to ensure good video and audio quality. Edit your videos for a polished final product that engages viewers. After uploading your first video, optimize it for search. Craft an engaging title and description rich in keywords relevant to the content. Add relevant tags to improve visibility in search results. Next, focus on growing your audience. Promote your videos on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Engage with viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Collaborate with other YouTubers to tap into their audience. Once you have built a consistent audience, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Follow the guidelines and fill out the application form found in your YouTube studio. As you get approved, explore ways to generate passive income. Enable monetization on your videos for ad revenue. Consider creating a Patreon or merchandise store for additional income streams. Join affiliate marketing programs to promote products relevant to your niche. Finally, continually analyze your performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.